Hey guys, Curtis back with another video today talking about EvolveAI and how I'm building my next hypertrophy block. Now in EvolveAI, you have the ability to put in other exercises, and I covered it in a past video that I'll link up here if you want to go watch, but you can add in whatever custom exercises you want. Now as a strongman, that's something that I value quite a bit because a lot of what's in EvolveAI is solid, great strength work, especially geared towards powerlifting, squat, bench, and dead. But what it doesn't really have is anything as far as from like a strongman perspective. So a couple changes in this hypertrophy block. One, I'm actually going to try to shorten my workout every single day by adding a 5th training day throughout the week. So I'm going to be training Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Additionally, I wanted to come in and just kind of show you what it looks like as you begin a subsequent block of training. So this is my week 1, day 1. I actually just completely reset it because I'd gone through and started creating stuff and didn't know how to stop creating stuff, so I just reset it. So this would normally be week 5 inside of EvolveAI, but the first thing I've got right off the bat is pull-ups, and that's the pre-populated thing for this training day based on the input that I put in, like what goals I want, and then it's a combo set with lat exercises. And then one of the lat exercises I've actually included is the I-beam lat pull down. Now the whole point of the I-beam lat pull down is to allow myself to use the MB Power Center I-beam for lat pull down. So I'm going to use that because I've already got it. I just like to do the rest of the block, and then if I want to switch it in the next week, I do. I have a short-term memory issue, so unless I'm flipping back and forth in my training journal from a mega project, I'll forget that that's what I put there. Additionally, for quad exercises, and one of the things I look at in my smaller space is, hey, if I do this movement, I need to make sure that it doesn't get in the way if I'm doing other things. So for instance, this combo set, which includes 3 different exercises, is going to be I-beam lat pull downs, which is going to occur on the inside portion of my rack. For quad exercises, I'm going to do goblet squat, but I'm going to put it on the outside of the rack. And again, just something I have to think about as I go through. I'll be doing goblet squats using the transformer bar. And then for glute exercises, and I'm going to do some good mornings. And again, that's going to be on the transformer bar, thinking about the flow of my workout. That's just going to be on the outside of the rack. Basically, I'll unload the weight or change my setting on the transformer bar. After that, I'm going to do alternating hammer curls using my triads. And for calf, I'm going to do just normal calf raises, which I have been doing on my surplus strength UPS. So that's my day 1 workout. Now I just want to show you guys something else. So on an upper body focus day, so that first day is kind of a little bit all over the place. So on my first upper body focus day, I have incline bench, and then I have shoulder exercise. Now when I put in my log clean and press, which there is no log in EvolveAI, I selected it as a whole bunch of different movements. I later found out that that's how it populates that. So where it says select shoulder exercise, if I have shoulders selected as the primary muscle group for that movement, that's where it's going to pop up. Now I had selected as log clean and press works all these different ones. So like lats, for instance, because you pull it into your chest. That doesn't make any sense because for a lat exercise, a log clean and press didn't make much sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do log push press out of the rack just to kind of build some more familiarity. I haven't touched my logs for about a month and a half now, so it'll be nice to get those built back in. And again, in here, it's just, you know, what else am I doing? So we'll do some more incline dumbbell flies using my triads, some triceps exercises. I've really been liking Dix press. It's a ton of time under tension. Then bicep exercises. I already did alternating hammer curls. One of the things I have really enjoyed doing is preacher curls, and I'll do that with a straight bar out of the rack. And then for ab exercises, band pull over dead bugs all day, every day. So basically, when you start a new block, you'll get to go through, and I say you get to go through because this gives you a little bit of like saying what you're going to do. And if you don't like what you did in that day, the next week when you get to that day again, you can just swap the exercise if that's what you want. But that's basically it. So that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next video. And remember to always keep your training better, awesome, and of course, badass.